In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail filter. Let's start by heading to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Yahoo Mail to bring up the sign-in screen. Once you're there, you'll see a space where you're prompted to enter your username. It's important to ensure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays later. After typing in your username, go ahead and click the Next button. This action will take you to the password entry page. Here, carefully input your password to prevent any login errors. As soon as you enter your password, click Next again to proceed to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you're logged in, your next goal is to access the settings, where you can manage your filters. Look for the settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon somewhere in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that icon to open your mail settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled More Settings. Click on it, and a new menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Yahoo Mail experience. Focus your attention on the Filters option, and click on it. Once the Filters page is open, locate and click on Add New Filter. This is the exciting part where you start creating a filter that suits your needs. The first step in setting up your filter is to give it a name. Consider choosing a descriptive name so that you can easily recognize its purpose later on. Next, it's time to set the criteria for your filter. You'll need to define the conditions that will trigger this filter. This can be based on factors like the sender's email address, specific keywords in the subject line, or even particular content within the email body. Spend a bit of time considering what kind of emails you want to filter and set your criteria accordingly. After you've established the criteria, the next step is to choose the destination folder where you want these filtered emails to go. Yahoo Mail allows you to route specific emails into particular folders, which helps you manage your inbox more effectively. Once you've decided on the destination folder, make sure that all your details align with your plan. Finally, after inputting all the necessary information, don't forget to save the filter. Click Save, which will store the filter and start applying it to incoming emails. Congratulations! You've just set up a Yahoo Mail filter that will help keep your inbox organized and more efficient. Now you can enjoy a more streamlined email experience with less clutter and more productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for creating your own Yahoo Mail filters.